have the formula of the quadratic formula. So b positive negative b positive negative inside b squared 4 minus 4ac over 2a. So as easy as that, right? So x equals negative, we need to put negative 4 because we cannot combine them yet. Later you will see what is the answer. So 2 to copy which, so for this it's just easy still, negative 4 squared 4 1 and 8, because it's already seen that you need to find it. Next step. So now here we go, it's positive 4. Why it's positive 4? Because negative times negative, it's positive. So negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, as I said a while ago. So I already computed a while ago, so it's 32. Why? Because negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 8, it is negative 32, and over it is 2, because we just times the 2 and 1. So next, we are closely enough, so we need to minus this inside. 4 positive 4 positive negative 16 minus 32, it is negative 16 over 2. You need just to copy this one down. So with that, we need to find what numbers should be times, or what can divide to negative 16. So let's divide this. 2 times 16 is negative 8, as easy as that. So here we go, we are very closely, we need to do 2 more. So for this, we need to find x equals 4 plus 8 equals 2 over 2 rather. And here we go, we need to solve it. So it is 12 over 2. So for here, we need to find it. We need to find the number. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So next, so this is our first root. So next, 4 minus 8 plus over 2 equals negative 4 over 2. So here it is already negative. So 4 times 2, 4 divided by 2 rather, it's negative, it's 2. So our roots for this equation are 6 is to negative 2. So that is just our first example. For our next example, it is x squared plus 6x plus 4 equals 0. So we need to get also the a, the b, and the c. Then we need to do the same as a while ago. Sorry, I forgot the positive negative there. So let's just proceed to make it short, we need to make it more faster. So b squared, it is 6 squared 4 1 and then 4 again. So let's put the 6 right here. Sorry if my writing messed up, yes, I forgot it could be shortened. Then 2 is to 1. So let's solve this. X 6 minus times negative, it's negative 6, positive negative inside 36 because it's already seen. So here 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, it's negative 16, and down over 2. Next step, we need to copy this negative 6 and then minus this 2. It's all 20 over 2. So as fast as that. So now we will proceed to the last part, I guess. So negative 6 plus, now we need to find the roots. So doing the roots, when you find the roots, it's just simply like this, just like the first step or the first example. So we need just to negative 6 plus 20 is equals to 14. Why it is positive 14? Because the higher the number of the sign it should be. When it's this one is 66 and this one is positive 20, then it should be negative. So here we have 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this is our first root, and then the next root is negative 6 minus 20 over 2 is 26, because they have the same, but it should be negative because the higher number is negative here. So we need, if it's...
Guys, my name is Joshua Concepcion from Grade 9 Philippines. Today I'm going to discuss about this quadratic function and by using quadratic formula. So ito po yung given ko, 4x squared negative x and negative equals 8 po. So hindi po siya naka-standard form, hindi po natin makukuha yung a, b, and c po natin. So kailangan po natin siya standard form. So which is this is standard form for x squared negative x. So ililipat po natin ng 8, so magiging negative 8 po siya, equals 0. So yun na po ang standard form po natin. Pwede na po natin makuha ang a, b at saka c po natin. So which our a is 4 and our b is 1, negative 1, and their c is negative 8. Tapos po natin makuha ang a, b at saka c po natin, gagamitin na po natin ang formula. So which is this po. So, pagkatapos po niyan ay gagamitin na po natin ang formula. So, i-apply na po natin, nakuha po natin dito. Ilagay po natin siya dito. So, makikita nyo na wala, natira na lang po yung negative 4, tsaka square po, tsaka 2 po. Kasi sila po yung constant. So, RB is equals positive 1. Kasi po negative times negative equal, maging positive po yan. So, and RA is 4. And RC is negative 8, and RB is negative 1, and RA is 4. So pagkatapos po niyan, ipagmumultiply na po natin sila. So which is this po. See? So magiging positive po yan. Magiging 16 times negative 8 equals 128. Positive po yan kasi ito negative times negative positive. So ito naman po, positive po siya, positive 1. So 2 times 4 equals 8. So x equals positive 1 equals 129 over 8. So ayan na po yung sagot. So bakit? Kasi wala naman pong perfect square ang 129. So ito na po ang literal na sagot. Exact answer na po yan. X equals positive 1 positive negative squared by 129 over 8. So yun na po yung sagot. So ito naman po ang second example ko, which is 4x squared negative 3 equals negative 4x. So makikita nyo naman po, hindi naman po siya naka-standard form. So ang gagawin po natin dito is a standard form natin siya. So which is 4x squared, tapos ililipat po natin ito, so maging positive 4x. So may stay lang po siya dito kasi nasa tamang position naman po siya. So makakuha na po natin ang a, b at saka c po natin. So which are a is 4 and our b is positive 4 and our c is negative 3. So nakuha na po natin ang a, b at saka c po natin. So So, pagkatapos po yan, makuha natin ang A, B, at saka C po natin, ay gagamitin na po natin ang formula which is this. So, pagkatapos po yan, i-apply na po natin yung nakuha po natin dito. Ilalagay po na siya dito, which are B is negative 4, and our A is 4, and our C is negative 3, and our B is 4, and our A is negative is 4. So, pagkatapos po niyan, ipag-multiply na po natin sila. So, pagkatapos po niyan, pag-multiply na po natin sila, and therefore, yung 4 po, stay lang po siya, and positive, negative, tapos squared by. So, 4 times 4 times negative 3 equals 1 equals 48, and 4 squared equals 16, and 4 times 2 equals 8 po. Sa pagtas po niya, ipapuplus po natin sila. So, stay lang po siya dito, yung negative 4, positive, negative, squared by equals 48 plus 16 equals 64 over 8. So, dito po mag-isip po tayo ng perfect square sa 64. For example, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 4 equals 16, 5 times 5 equals 25 po. Ganun po. So, ang perfect square po nito, which is 8 po. Negative 4, positive, negative, squared by 8. So, hindi pa po ito ang final answer natin. So, ang gagawin po natin dito po para makuha po natin ang roots natin. So, which is negative 4. So, positive 8 tapos over 8. So, ito po, pagma-minus po natin itong negative 4 tsaka ano po. So, which is 4 and 8. So, equals 1 half. And yun, pangalawa naman po, para po makuha po natin ang roots natin ay ito po. X equals 4, tapos negative 8, tapos 8, tapos pag-plus po natin sila, so which is equals negative 12 and negative 8. So, pag-divide po natin sila sa 4, so negative 3 and negative 2. So, yan na po ang answer natin, which is our roots is 1 half and negative 3 squared. So, yun lang po. Thank you guys.